Kilimanjaro, Tonga home, New York, Saga na New York, Saga Rastaman, Saga Wagwan Boy, Saga Pole Pole, Saga Kilimanjaro. Hello.
Yo, peeps. So we back from Nairobi. I've been here for a week. I'm in Arusha, Tanzania, and we're going to Moshi today. So today we're checking out a waterfall, and we're gonna get to a place where we can see the view of Mount Kilimanjaro. I'm not ready to climb it yet, but I want to at least see it with my own eyes.
Yeah. This is Arusha city.
I think one of the best cities in Africa, man.
Yeah. Most welcome, guys.
Yes, sir.
Tanzania is a beautiful country.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Hey. Represent the island. You know, there's some Jamaicans who feel like Africans don't like them, or they feel like Africans sold them out or something like that. Yeah. When I was in Jamaica like a couple months ago, I was talking to my family about that. And I was like, no, like they love Jamaicans so much. You know, like all the artists.
Yeah.
Things like that, like no.
Special people from Tanzania.
Yeah.
They like most Jamaica in America.
Yeah.
People from America and Jamaica.
They love them. Yeah.
They love them. Sure.
Is the male chameleon because the male we have two horns on the top of the head, while the female we didn't have a horns.
Wow.
Amazing, yeah. Candy buy. You feel it, huh? Oh.
Check this out. Check this out, man. We are in the middle of the jungle. Just came back from the waterfall.
Hungry? So we have this one we call kiburu. It's banana with beans, bananas, and volcanic ash, water, oil, and salt only.
What?
Yes. So we can say for yourself.
I'll take a little because, like, when I eat the beans from here, for some reason, it never settles in my stomach.
Okay.
But since it's mixed with banana,
yeah, you can try it.
It might be better. Okay, sure.
You can try and then I'll give you.
Okay, sure. Wow. And then this one?
Banana, potato.
Nice. This is all local stuff. Hey, this is like biryani. I mean, pilau.
Pilau.
Hey.
White rice. We have beef sauce. We have a beans. We have a vegetable, and we have a spice chill.
Hey. Okay.
See, it's local.
Yeah, man. Yeah, nice. Hey.
So you can pass for yourself.
Sure. So just take a plate and choose. Okay. Bananas, potatoes. Got my favorite type of rice, pilau. Hey. This one's the beef sauce, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, sure. Nice, man, nice. Hey. Some local stuff, man.
Yeah.
Some local stuff, all from the jungle. Hey.
It's African food.
Yes, sir. And we got the greens. This is kale?
This is vegetable.
Vegetable, or just
Yeah.
I love vegetable, man.
I'm just here with my friend from New York.
Yeah, man. Enjoying this nice food, man.
Yeah.
So nice. Just look at the view.
Sure.
So nice.
Karibuni sana. Hakuna matata.
Hey,
Tanzania is a very peaceful country.
as you see.
Yeah.
One thing I've noticed about Tanzanian food is the recipes are very simple. Very simple and tasty and nutritious. Like you got the greens, the banana from all these local trees, the rice, the cow meat. It's all so nice, man.
So the first shells is the red coffee.
Yeah.
And the second is the white one. And the beans.
And while we do, we sing.
You sing?
Yeah, to motivate the one who will be doing the job.
Okay, sure.
Yes.
Okay.
Your name, brother?
Deve.
Deve.
Yeah, Deve.
De?
Deve.
Deve.
Deve, yeah.
From where?
America.
From United States. Which
yeah.
part?
New York.
From New York.
Yeah.
Hakuna matata. Start the beat.
Sounds it. Okay.
Oh, twanga moja, twanga, twanga Tanzania, twanga Obama land, twanga now you're dead, twanga Kilimanjaro, twanga homemade, twanga Materune, oh, Ataga bomba, 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 USA bomba, bomba, New York City.
Kulambare msoro kiti, kulambare.
Sema tena.
Kulambare msoro kiti, kulambare.
Okidoko noma.
Noma noma.
Achaga bomba.
Bomba bomba.
Hakuna matata.
Kulambare msoro kiti, kulambare.
Sema tena.
Kulambare msoro kiti, kulambare.
Tanzania inameremeta imepambwa.
Maua.
Inameremeta imepambwa.
Maua.
Pole pole.
Maua.
Tagalandi.
Maua.
Kilimanjaro.
Maua.
Hakuna matata.
Maua.
Medi.
Maua. Ula ule ule bumbu.
Pepeta. Arabica. Don't write that one. Yeah. So now what we do, we look in the one is not well skinned, and then we can help to remove by hand. So you can help.
So which one? Like this one?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. You just remove the skin?
Yes. The machine is man-made, so they can't do 100% well.
Yes.
Yeah.
Kanga Obama land, kanga na New York, kanga Materune, kanga na Safari, kanga Kilimanjaro, kanga pole jambo bwana, habari gani? Nzuri sana, wageni wakaribishwa wapi? Kilimanjaro, hakuna matata, tembea pole pole, hakuna matata, na ukiwa Tagalandi, hakuna matata, ukimeki organiki, hakuna matata, ukimeki arabika, hakuna matata, na ukiwa safari, hakuna matata, ukaenda Materuni, hakuna matata, ukitai banana bia, hakuna matata, ukabona bomale, hakuna matata, na ukiwa na rastamani, hakuna matata. Jambo bwana, habari gani? Nzuri sana, wageni wakaribishwa Kilimanjaro, hakuna matata, ukiwa Materuni, hakuna matata, ukiwa na bushi dokta, hakuna matata, ukitai organiki, hakuna matata, ukiwa na Picasso, hakuna matata. Aleporota silele mama, haitaji kubembelezana. Aleporota silele mama, haitaji kubembelezana. Aleporota silele mama, haitaji kubembelezana. Aleporota mama, haitaji kubembeleza. Nichanganyie chungwa, machenza na malimao. Kanichanganyie machungwa, machenza na malimao. We sio ziri, naumia, naumia. Wapi people, naumia, naumia. Oh baby, naumia, naumia. Na matata, naumia, naumia. Dalia shimbwe, naumia, naumia. Naumia, naumia. Baba madogo madogo, yalogele, yalogele. Yanapenda kule. Let's go. Kwakwari kwakwari, kwakwari kwakwari, kwakwari. Local way, saga Tanzania, saga USA, saga na New York, saga Rastaman, saga Wagwan boy, saga pole pole, saga Kilimanjaro, saga homemade, saga boom boom, saga Wagwan, saga ai, saga Boma, saga boo boo, saga know your dad, saga know your Chris, saga know your Ray, saga Kilimanjaro, Tina T, Tina T, Tina T, Tina T, Tina T, Tina T, Ogilate Kameta, Ogilate Kameta, Ogilate Kameta, Ogilate Kameta, Ogilate Kameta, from USA, Ogilate Kameta, 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 Ogilate Kameta,
So are there any health benefits to coffee, especially this kind?
Yeah.
Like, are there any health benefits from coffee?
Yeah.
Like what?
You
Educate
know,
me.
for the coffee,
Yeah.
we use as for the weekend sickness.
Thank you.
In the morning,
Yeah.
when you wake up with say hangover, you have a cup of coffee, you be active, like normal yesterday you are. Yeah.
Okay.
So the coffee is a medication.
And the first coffee in the world came out of Ethiopia.
Yeah.
Not far from here. Cup of coffee. Oh, it's hot. Moto.
Moto.
Ya moto sana.
Wow. It tastes so like natural.
Yeah, sure.
Hey.
Yeah. So
It's better than Starbucks, man.
if you like the sugar also, you can add now.
Okay.
Yeah.
You take without sugar or with?
More they prefer without sugar because they say coffee is sugar is juice. And when you add some milk, it's big cocktail.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.